Okay, so 12.2 is a continuation of prisms and cylinders. So this is what we did last time. Just a little overview. You have these two shapes here are prisms. So you just use these formulas. Um, so this yellow formula here is how you get the blue ones. So perimeter and height, area of the base. So on this one, the area of this base was a rectangle. On this one, the area of this base was a triangle. So those do have different formulas. I don't know why I didn't S there. And then to do the total one, you just use that number that was on the previous one. So you'll see here for surface area over here on the left, these green ones, this number was just this number here. All right, this number was that number. And then the area of the base comes into play here. So that's important. I'm going to throw some things on here because with the volume, you definitely need that area of the base. Because volume for prisms and cylinders, it's the same thing. So it's area of the base, this is the area of the base. The only thing is with cylinders, it's always the same thing. So it's pi r squared for cylinders. For prisms though, there's quite a number of things you could have for prisms. Those of you that are here, I have some of these formula sheets around. You can also Google these. It's like not a big deal. Like y'all at home, you can just Google these. Oh, here. It's this. Star geometry formula sheet. Y'all don't have to take a star test. This is just like a thing that has all the formulas. AJ, pay attention to this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 possible things you can have in here as the area of the base. So let me put that on here so you have this in case you're watching this, you're looking at these notes later and don't know what I'm talking about. So triangle equals 0.5 times base times height. Then you have the rectangle or square. The rectangle is just base times height. A rhombus. I don't think you'll have a rhombus, by the way. A rhombus is 0.5 d1 times d2. Trapezoid. I think there is a trapezoid somewhere on one of your assignments. 1/2. Sorry? Okay. B1 plus B2 times H. And then you also can have a regular polygon. So this is something like a hexagon, pentagon. I think you'll see some of those. So that's 0.5 times the apothem times the height. And we saw some of that in, I think it was unit 10. Yeah, I think it was unit 10 we did that. So I'll leave that there for those of you that don't have this formula sheet. And then let's just do these 3 examples for volume. What color? Let's do purple. So you have these 2 prisms here. This is a rectangular prism, so I'm going to do volume equals area of the base times the height. I hope you're paying attention because it's fixing to be done. The base, it's 8 by 12. The height is 10. The rectangular prism is the easiest prism that you can do. So that's it. 8 times 12 times 10. So the volume here is 960 cubic units. That's it. This other one, this triangle here, volume equals area of the base times height. So that's going to be, now this time it's a triangle. So it's 0.5. The height is, let's say the height is 12. And then the base is, was that 6? Yeah, 6. Then the height is 5. So I'm just gonna plug it in the calculator. 0.5 times 12 times 6 times 5. The volume here is 180 cubic units. That's all you gotta do for volume. With the prism, so down here, this last one, and then that's it from me. I will get out of your hair, let you do what you need to do. So same formula, volume equals base times height. So this time it's volume equals 2 times pi. I'm sorry, that's not right. Yeah, pi r squared h. So that's pi, who's r? R is 5, because that's 10 over there. So half of that is the radius. Height is 9. So calculator, pi times 5 squared times 9. So that's 706.9. When you use the calculator, please don't type in 3.14. It's going to round funny and your Canvas is not going to count your answer correct. Make sure you use the pi symbol. Stop this video.